Hello there, my friend, and welcome. Are you looking to earn an extra passive income in 2025 working around your schedule? Well, digital marketing could be the perfect side hustle for you. Stick around to the very end of this video because I have some exciting gifts for you. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I'm a single mother of 2 children. I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money and never being able to catch up with either one of those two. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family or to work on my side hustles. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles, banging my head against the wall as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. I was trying to figure it out because you name it, I've been there, done that, from affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading. I always felt like there was something I was missing. I didn't have the right support, I didn't have the right training, I didn't have the right sponsors, you name it, I've been there, right? And it was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. So if you're wondering if digital marketing is a good side hustle, you're definitely in the right place at the right time. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is not just the future, it's now and the future, right? It's going away from the traditional ways of building your business to going online. So you could be a traditional business or a physical project or a digital project, doesn't matter what it is, but digital marketing is all about marketing online. There's different ways that you could do digital marketing. You could do SEO, search engine optimization. You can create content, video, articles that solving solutions, answering questions that your target audience might be interested in. And when your target audience goes searching for stuff, your stuff could show up. You could do social media marketing because you're on these social media platforms. Why not learn to monetize them, right? To turn them into ATMs. You could do email marketing. The money is in the list. You could do you could do different kinds of ads, classified ads, social media ads, Google ads, Bing ads. You could do chatbots. There's different ways that you could market to your target audience in 2025. So digital marketing is all about learning the skills to actually do that, right? And it's actually a great digital marketing is actually great for beginners because there's a low barrier to entry. You don't have to spend thousands and thousands, get a college degree and all that. You can actually start to learn the skills that you need and actually apply them without ever having to spend a penny on the application process, right? So you could use free tools and platforms like Canva, CapCut. They have free versions of them. You could use MailChimp. There's different tools that you could use if you wanted to get started in this space. And it is, like I say, you don't need to have thousands and thousands take a loan to actually get started in digital marketing. You can actually, once you learn the skills, you can actually work from anywhere, right? You can be a digital nomad and work from anywhere as long as you have access to the internet, you have your device, and you have the time. You can actually go ahead and do your job. And the digital marketing is in high demand because it doesn't matter whether it's a small business, traditional business, huge multinational business. Everybody, all the businesses are looking. They're doing digital marketing. They're looking to reach the target audience online, right? So it's a high in demand. Forbes magazine actually wrote an article where it said it was the highest growing career in 2025 and 24, and it's actually projected to be a $1.5 trillion industry by 2030. That's just 5 years from now. So definitely it's a high in demand skills that you can actually use them to build your own business as well. And then it's actually it's scalable because you could do, there's no limit to what you could do. You could work for different companies to promote to market the products or services. You could freelance, right? Kind of do your own thing, and you could actually, as I said before, you could actually use the skills to build and brand your own business. Okay, so the challenges are it's time commitment. It's a skill that you're going to have to learn. You're going to have to commit time and And if you want to actually master it, you have to commit money as well, so you can learn from somebody who's actually done what you've done and go deeper into what they're teaching. Okay, and having said that, there is a learning curve that you have to go through. So if you're interested in actually learning more about digital marketing, I actually have access to a step-by-step proven six-figure blueprint that's teaching me high income skills. It's teaching me how to brand myself, how to build my email list, how to attract my perfect customer using social media, how to build a relationship with that list, how to activate multiple income streams. All this is these are relevant skills that I'm taking with me in the future, right? And I love that I'm grabbing a pie of a $1.5 trillion industry. So what I want to invite you is to click the link in the description to actually get a free copy of our 10K in 30 days guide. That's going to give you an idea of how you can activate multiple income streams, how you can learn and earn on digital marketing at the same time. And if you found any value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.